guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today guys, I want to show you guys how I cook my spinach soup, normally known as vegetable. As you can see, I have this frozen vegetable. I'm going to use this frozen vegetable. This vegetable, I'm going to cut it. I will cut so that all these you see how these things you cut say some vegetable now you go they draw if they eat them. No, you go get stick inside. So I want just cut that to my taste. So I have a lot of onions here because I really need a lot of onions in my vegetables. This is my sweet pepper here. I put this sweet pepper so that now I just use and take color my vegetable small. Not just the one where they give me that color. Now I make they put my sweet pepper. This is my habanero pepper, normally known as a fresh pepper. Why I have pomo here, kowski, my trip, shaki, and my fish here. So this is my beef. First of all, I need to put this my shaki for my pot, just boil and small before I add the rest meat. So I'll add because this shaki is strong small. I need to first boil first before I add the rest meat. Okay guys, I'm going to add my shaki now. So just boil like 15 minutes before my meat. Okay guys, my shaki is already done small. I want to add the remaining of my meat now. Add my beef. Then after my beef, I add my pomo. So after my pomo, I add my salt. After my salt, my seasoning Maggi. I'm going to use one. I'm still use another one if I want to cook them. Then I add my onions. I really need a lot of onions, you know, to pour the meat. I won't just add my fish now because I don't want to fry the fish. I have to just boil them. I'm going to fry the fish. Then you add water. So add water. Now to just if the meat don't boil small, then I will remove my fish so that may not go pieces inside. And to cover and I make it down. Okay guys, as you can see, my meat is already done. I've already removed my fish, so I want to start to cook my vegetables now. Okay guys, I want to add my palm oil. I really need a little bit palm oil so that make the palm oil come out for the vegetable soup. So after your palm oil done melt, after you add your onion. Then I add my pepper. Then I add my crayfish. I really need a lot of crayfish because spinach, if crayfish not catch on, you know, they burn well. Then after that, just add your meat and the water. So after you don't add your meat, add another seasoning cube. Then I have to just cover and make it done like 10 minutes. Then after 10 minutes, you will notice and say the oil already come up. Now to add your vegetables now. See my vegetables here. See as I cut them. If you cut and cover like this, you know, you make sure say you remove the water. You remove the water from the vegetable, then you add your vegetable to yours. So vegetable not need too much water. For me, I know they like water for my vegetable. So if you don't allow and make it boil, now you see I said the vegetable you can still bring another water again. So just give her time small. You lower your gas so because vegetable don't need make too done like 5 to 8 minutes. Just leave her. 5 minutes is okay anyway. Just leave and make it soft. They relax, the boil they come. You see say you can't get liquid, you can't get watery small. so no need for you to add water to your vegetable. After the water, make you don't use take boil the meat. So I'm going to add my fish now. Normally I want to pieces my fish because I don't want to fry it. I just pieces it, remove the bone. So after you don't add your fish, just cover around with your low heat. Leave them for 5 to 8 minutes so that make it cook. Okay guys, so make we check now how it can be. You see the reason why I know they add so much water to my vegetable. You see I say my oil don't come out. You see the oil after you do they cook small, you see the palm oil they come up. It simply means that your vegetable is ready now. You see, and you can't do liquid. Now make another they add water because now leave. Understand? So now leave. You can't get that oil. See? Your palm oil must come out. If you leave and make you relax yourself without you not add water. So guys, my vegetables is ready. Look at my soup. This is my job for today. See, these until they carry swallow, you know. And those bad. Some people even see they use until they eat rice. But most of them they use the groundnut oil for the one until they eat rice. But for me, I use palm oil because they use groundnut oil as well. But I just decided to use palm oil. Because they give me that efo soup, that real taste of efo. So my vegetables is ready, guys. If you like the video, you can thumbs up for me, and if you are new in my channel, subscribe for me. Don't forget to press the notification button for more video. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your subscriber. Thank you all my friends. Thank you my viewers. I really appreciate you guys. Thanks for your share. Thanks for your view. Thanks for everything about my channel. Thank you all. Bye.